Welcome to all. I am Bharat Dasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science. Now I am going to explain about the subject Front Office and Accommodation Management Theory 2. Unit 1, Front Office Cashier, Important Terminologies and Guest Folio. First, I am going to explain about the Front Office Cashier, Important Terminologies. To be able to understand this lesson, it is important to understand some terms frequently used in front office cash operations. First one, account. Summary of all cash and credit transactions. Account balance. Difference between charge and credits in an account. Accounts receivable. Amounts due to the hotel. Allowance. A benefit given to the guest in cash or credit. Amendments. Correction in accounts. Cash, liquid money. Cash bank. Cash amount provided by the hotel for daily transactions. Cash voucher. Receipt of payment made by cash. Charge payments. Deferred payments. City ledger. Summary of all creditors. Credit. Facility that enables a guest to use goods and services now but paid later. Debit. Charge to an account. Due back. Cash payment owed to the cashier. Employee folio. Account that tracks payments made on behalf of an employee who is given a charge. Guest folio. Statement of account of a resident guest. Guest ledger. Statement of accounts of guests or organizations who give advance deposits as also long-staying guests. House limit. Credit limit set by the management which has to be cleared by the guest during his or her stay. Master folio. Common statement of account for more than one guest. Miscellaneous voucher. Voucher to support a charge purchase from minor revenue outlets. Non-guest account. Account of transactions of companies and non-resident individuals given this privilege. Outstanding balance. Amount due from the guest. Overage. When cash, check, negatable instruments and payouts from the cash bank are greater than receipt into the cash bank. Paid out. Authorized cash payment made on behalf of the hotel or guest. Par. Cash balance is equal to the cash bank. Petty cash. Small amounts of authorized money issued to staff. Posting. Entry made in the guest folio. Room night. A room that is booked for a night against which room rates are applicable. Shortage. When the amount paid out from the bank is less than receipt into the cash bank. Transaction. Exchange of cash or credit for services purchased. Transfer voucher. Document to record transfer from one account to another. Voucher. Document that records a purchase transaction with a cashier. Now I am going to explain about the guest folio. Guest folio is considered as the master bill in the hotel, which is also known as guest account card. A guest folio contains all transactions of both cash and credit occurred by each resident guest. In manual system, folios are maintained manually and kept in the folio rack at the front office cash. This is for guest folio form. Is maintained by front office cashier. Settling of bills. Guests settle their bills in the following manner. Gas payments, in which guests receive a cash voucher from the cashier in acknowledgement of such payments. Sign the bills to be recovered by city ledger by a pre-arrangement with the organization. Pay by an acceptable credit card, debit cards. Sign the bills to be adjusted against advances and deposits. Last one is traveler checks, which are as good as cash. Point of sale. Every outlet is a point of sale. Short term is POS. When a guest wishes to sign his bill to the guest folio at any of the POS, the cashier will take down and verify the guest room number by calling up the front office in the manual system or check the rooming list called up on the POS micro. The cashier then creates charge voucher similar to a restaurant voucher which is signed by the guest. The voucher is immediately forwarded to the front office cashier who puts the amount into the guest folio. Room charges. Charges into the guest folio come from various as we have seen above. Room charges are posted by the night cashier for every night occupied by the guest according to the meal plan. Example EP, AP, MAP, CP or BNP mentioned on the folio. Food and beverages charges. Restaurant and bar charges are posted when the restaurant or bar check is signed in the resident in the restaurants. This is for restaurant check invoice. These are immediately sent to the front office cashier by the restaurant cashier to ensure that is posted instantly to recover from the guest should he check out instantly. These charges comes in the form of a restaurant or bar check. Immediacy is vital as guests will be checking out of the meal. In the automated system, restaurant micros are linked directly to the guest folio and the charges instantly recorded. The restaurant or bar check follows physically later. Room service and banquet checks adopt the same procedure. Other revenue outlets. Checks are raised by the cashier of other revenue outlets like the bars, business center, health club, delicatessen, pastry shop, laundry, barber shop, beauty salon. In addition, there are also miscellaneous charges for such service as babysitting services, shoe shine services, postage, safety deposit charges if any, left luggage charges if any. This is for miscellaneous charges voucher. Miscellaneous charges made in the miscellaneous charges voucher. Telephone charge voucher. Complete the telephone charge voucher in a non-automated telephone system. This timetable for local telephone call voucher. This table for long distance telephone voucher. Allowance voucher. An allowance in the hotel context is cash paid out a guest by the hotel. Allowances are given to airline crews and in some case groups. This table for example for allowance voucher. We have discussed about the front office cashier. These are about the context which we have deeply discussed. Thank you.